Welcome back to Google Class. Dear students, all of you, how are you? I'm James here. Today I am going to discuss with the Transfer of Property Act, the last portion, last section of Transfer of Property Act. Okay, section 137. Okay, section 137 of TP Act 1882 explain about saving of negotiable instrument, etc. Okay, saving of negotiable instrument, etc. Nothing in the foregoing sections of this chapter applies to stocks, shares, or debentures, or to instruments which are for the time being by law or custom negotiable, or to any mercantile document of title to goods. Okay, so based on this section 137, explanation is the expression mercantile document of title to goods includes a bill of lading, dock warrant, DOCK dock warrant, warehouse keeper's certificate, railway receipt, warrant or order for the delivery of goods, and any other document used in the ordinary course of business as proof of the possession or control of goods, or authorizing or purporting to authorize, either by endorsement or by delivery, the possessor of the document to transfer or receive goods thereby represented. Okay, this is what explained above section 137. And as per this section 137, I'll give you another more examples. So relevant explanation. Certain documents in the nature of negotiable instruments are exempted from the operation of the provisions regarding assignment of actionable claims as contained in TP Act. Okay, TP Act means Transfer of Property Act. This section says that none of the provision of section 130 and 136 shall apply to stocks shares or debentures, or to instruments which are for the time being by law or customs office negotiable custom. Okay, by law or custom means customary law. Okay, and any other mercantile document of title to goods. The distinction between an assignment under the Transfer of Property Act and under Negotiable Instrument Act is that in the former, the assignee will acquire no more than the right, title and interest of the assigner, while in the later, the endorsee will have all the rights and advantages of a holder in due course. Okay, now it's clear this portion. Okay students, this is end of the syllabus, end of the subject. Okay, up to section 1 to 137 explained about Transfer of Property Act. Okay students, enjoy with your time. Okay, enjoy with your reading habits, watch regularly Google Class. Okay, send your feedback, improve your knowledge, don't waste your time. This is my regular advice to you. Okay, I don't want to give more advice. Okay, this is a common advice only. You just accept my advice, then you will take a good fruits in your legal practice also. Not only legal practice, in your education, higher education. Not only higher education, at present LLB class. Okay. Okay students, take care. Bye. See you.